This is the video for Module 63, Hoists. Loading and offloading hoist systems are typically found at a number of small craft harbor facilities. Cranes are used to speed up fish offloading, to reduce the physical handling of fish, to improve the fish quality, to load ice on board vessels, and to assist in the loading and offloading of fish gear and supplies. The most common type of crane used for heavy lifting is the jib crane or pedestal crane. Other types of crane systems are also used at various facilities across the country, including manually operated cable cranes and hydraulically or electronically actuated cranes. Private offloading systems remain the responsibility of the owner of the service. The owner of the services are required to arrange for each service to be re-inspected at the beginning of each operating season, with certificates of compliance to be provided to the Small Craft Harbours office. The Harbour Authority will advise the owner of this requirement. Damage and deterioration to cranes may be caused by vehicular or vessel impacts, overloading of the system, corrosion of the metal parts, wear of the moving parts, or if the foundation attachment hardware are subject to mechanical damage, settlement, and deterioration. This photo shows corrosion on the cable and on hydraulic fittings. Here, there are missing anchor bolts on the pedestal. There is also corrosion on the bolts and base. The following components should be inspected during operational visual inspections of jib cranes and offloading systems: the operation of the jib crane motor, the condition of the boom, cables, and connections, the condition of the electrical enclosure, the condition of the mast base including the retaining bolts and possible corrosion, and the condition of the electrical power lines and conduits. The following is a list of potential problems and the action you should take if they were to happen. Look for displacement, tilting, or shifting of the pedestal base. Any displacement of the pedestal base is to be reported to your Small Craft Harbours contact. Identify, photograph, and map the problem. Tighten or replace loose bolts, and clean and paint the pedestal to reduce further corrosion. If you notice damage or misalignment of the boom, you should close down the offloading system, notify your Small Craft Harbours contact, and identify, photograph, and map the problem. Shut down power to the jib crane and replace the cable in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendation. Notify Small Craft Harbours before doing so. If you notice an unusual noise in the operation of the boom or winch, or if the crane motor, power supply, or controls are not operating properly, you should close down the offloading system, notify your Small Craft Harbours contact, and identify, photograph, and map the problem. Proper maintenance is essential to preserving the life of the harbor. For more information, please consult the inspection and maintenance modules and watch the maintenance film. This is the end of Module 63, Hoists. For more information, please consult the inspection and maintenance modules.